Today, I am reviewing the Jumper 15.4-inch tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Jumper 15.4-inch tablet is a powerhouse Android 15 device designed for productivity, entertainment, and gaming, all wrapped up in a sleek 2-in-1 form factor. The first thing you'll notice is its massive 15.4-inch IPS display. With full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution and 100% sRGB color coverage, this screen brings vibrant, true-to-life colors and crisp details. Whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or working on documents, every image feels sharp, bright, and immersive. The display's large size makes multitasking easier, allowing you to comfortably split your screen and handle multiple apps at once without feeling cramped. This tablet doesn't just look good, it's designed to work hard. Powered by the Helio G99 Octa-Core processor and Mali G57MC2 GPU, it delivers smooth, lag-free performance for gaming, video streaming, and daily productivity tasks. It outperforms many devices in its class, including the Unisoc T618, making it ideal for users who need a device that can handle both entertainment and work effortlessly. With Google Mobile Services certification, you get full access to the Google Play Store, so installing apps, streaming services, or productivity tools is seamless and worry-free. One of the standout features of this tablet is its 2-in-1 functionality. It comes with a detachable magnetic keyboard, making typing comfortable and precise. The built-in stand adjusts up to 135 degrees, offering flexibility for different viewing angles, whether you're working at a desk, enjoying a movie, or following a recipe in the kitchen. The protective case ensures the tablet remains safe while on the go, giving you peace of mind without sacrificing style. Battery life is another area where this tablet shines. The massive 10,000 mAh battery is designed to keep you going all day, whether you're working remotely, watching videos, or playing games. Coupled with efficient Android 15 software, the tablet maximizes runtime while keeping performance smooth. Connectivity is solid, thanks to dual-band 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth 5.2. This ensures fast, stable connections with your wireless headphones, speakers, or other accessories. When it comes to storage and multitasking, the Jumper 15.4-inch tablet is impressive. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking between multiple apps is smooth and responsive. The 256 GB of built-in storage provides plenty of space for apps, media, and documents. And if you need more, expandable storage options are available. Android 15 brings a modern, responsive interface with enhanced security and new features that make the user experience fluid and enjoyable. The tablet also features 4 built-in speakers, which deliver immersive audio for music, movies, and gaming. Unlike smaller tablets that rely on a single speaker or less powerful sound output, this setup provides clear highs, balanced mids, and satisfying volume, making it great for video calls, entertainment, and casual gaming. In conclusion, the Jumper 15.4-inch Android 15 tablet is a versatile, high-performance device that blends productivity, entertainment, and gaming into one package. Its large, high-resolution display, powerful processor, detachable keyboard, long-lasting battery, and robust connectivity make it perfect for students, professionals, and casual gamers alike. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or on the go, this tablet is designed to keep up with your lifestyle while providing an immersive and enjoyable experience every time you use it. With its premium features, powerful specs, and flexible 2-in-1 design, the Jumper 15.4-inch tablet is a standout device in the Android tablet market for 2025.